Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to change the emojis on Snapchat. So let's begin right away. So before we proceed, what I mean by emojis is the emojis found on the snap streak or the streak on Snapchat. So now, before we proceed once again, please make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Afterwards, you just simply open your Snapchat app and then click on your profile found on the upper left corner. And right here, click on Settings found on the upper right corner and then go to um, scroll down and then click on Manage and then click on friend emojis, and then right here you may be able to see a lot of different options which include super BFF, besties, BFs, mutual besties, mutual BFs, snapstreak, and pinned conversation. So if you want to change the emoji, simply click on the category or the option that you want. For example, I will choose this one and then choose the emoji that you want. For example, I'll choose the first one, which is the heart, and simply press back if you want to. And as you can see, the Super BFF option or emoji now has been turned into a heart. And then let's say, for example, that you want to reset it to default. Just simply click on reset to default and click OK so that everything will be reset. So that's it. That's how you can change the emojis on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.